What is up, guys? Me and Dylan are back with another video.
What's up, guys?
This morning we're gonna be doing some top water largemouth bass fishing. We're gonna be in the kayaks today, so I'll catch you guys when we get in the water. Okay guys, so we've made it on the water here. Well, I have Dylan's getting in right now. What I'm gonna be throwing today, I'm just gonna be throwing a popper, little hula popper. You guys can tell by the pond it's super still. It looks like a pretty solid top water day. Okay guys, so we've made it to the next spot. This is kind of what it looks like. We got the kayaks there. I'll walk onto this little dock. So we're just gonna fish this kind of little skinny area here that you can see. So it goes all the way around that curve to what you guys just previously seen, what I showed you. So the big lake that's back in here looks pretty promising. Okay guys, so we're in the water now. We're gonna start off with I don't know if we'll start off with the spinner bait here. What we're using is the fluorescent white spinner bait. Then I still have that Mondo worm tied on. I think I'm gonna do the Mondo worm first off. The bugs are bad here too. Oh yeah.
Water's a little dirty here too, but I don't think it's that bad.
No, it's not nearly as dirty as that where we just left. Try the spinner bait here. Really? That's perfect cast. There is one in there. So in this lake slash pond, there's a chance we could hook up on a big one here. There's been several 8-pounders recorded in this. This is actually the first time we both have ever fished this spot. So hopefully it's as good as everybody says it is. Fish. There's one right there, guys. Oh, good fish. That is a good fish. No, I'm just trying to land it. He snapped it. It was every bit 3.5. I ain't kidding, every bit 3.5, dude.
Justin, you have not had good luck with getting fish on.
It was 3 to 4. Easily. Oh my gosh.
Were you throwing a spinnerbait?
No, that was my Mondo worm. I shouldn't have freaking pulled the line. We're gonna try this spinnerbait right out here. There's a fish. Got one on the spinnerbait. He's not terrible, but he's not big either. There we go. Fell off in the boat. All right, guys. First fish of the day. If I can grab him, holy crap. Okay, let's get this thing. All right, guys. First fish of the day. About a little pound, pound and a half. Or not too big, but we'll take him. All right, there you go, buddy. No, I was snagged a minute. So guys, me and Dylan have been talking, and we think the next video after this, we're gonna do a minnow trap video. So we're gonna go buy 3 minnow traps. We're gonna put 3 in 3 different creeks. And what we're gonna do is put it out one evening, go back the next and check it. And we're gonna do a bunch of different, try different baits and stuff for them. So if you guys like that kind of stuff, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you guys know when I post it. It should be, we're gonna try and do it sometime this coming week. And after I get it edited and stuff, I'll drop the video. Yeah, we need to start fishing this place more. Because guys, when we first found this place, we originally thought they just there was just like a big boat dock for the main lake, and it was kind of hard to get into the big body of water in our kayaks. But I've been working at this house painting it, I looked down here and I seen this little inlet, and I found it on the map, and we pulled it up on the map and decided to drive to it. And it's got a little place to put in your kayaks, and it's a nice little kayak area. Yeah, we're like I was talking about our upcoming video, so we're wanting to do the minnow trap video I was talking about, and then where it's getting closer to deer season, where we're in Tennessee, the velvet hunt's coming up. So we're wanting to get some cameras and some tree stands out, because I have some tree stands from last year I'm wanting to move, and then I've got to get batteries in my trail cameras and get those put out. I forgot to turn the camera back on, but we just hooked up on another bass on the Mondo worm, another little guy. Try and get this out. Try and get this hook out. He swallowed it, so let me try and get the pliers. Dylan, this one like swallowed the hook. Yeah, pretty bad. I'm gonna try and go through the gill and get it out. Oh no, the gill. It's in an awkward spot. There we go, guys. There's the fish again. We got the hook out. I'll let him back. Ooh, pole fell in the water. And there he goes. We'll have to tie another Mondo worm on. So guys, what I do with these Mondo worms, I'll show you here shortly. So let me try and get this on the camera. And I'll show you how I rig up my any really soft plastics, how I Texas rig my baits. And if you don't know how to Texas rig, I'll show you real fast. So what we're gonna do is get your worm, of course. So we're gonna get our worm. Take it out. On these Mondo worms, they have a little connector here, and I like to take that little connector off and leave it, but that's just my preference. What you do is take it here. So take it like this, put it through a little bit, not much. Break it in, twist, get it up to your spot there, and then take it out a little and get a little slack so it will straighten out and hide that hook tip, and then you've got a little straight Texas rig. And then that's a weedless situation here, so you can see how the hook's barely exposed, but it's still exposed enough where the fish can get it. So that's Texas rig. I'm gonna get this in the water and see how we'll do here. The what? There's got to be a fish under this tree. Oh, fish. Got one. Dylan, I got one. Yeah. He caught me off guard. Oh, he's hooked. He's not a bad fish. Not too bad. So guys, we caught number 3 for the day. So we got him here. He's not a bad little fish. Guys, Dylan just hooked up on his second one of the day. That puts us at 5. Not a bad fish, actually. It's probably about a 2 pound and a half. So there's number 2. We weren't fishing much. We're kind of working our way up. You guys can see right to the course there. There's a golf course there. We're gonna fish there. There's Dylan's. Here, let me zoom in on it. Yep, there's Dylan's. That's his second one. We're at 5 total. That was on the baby brush hog again.
That'd be a good one to weigh, just test your scale. That's not a bad fish. Healthy fish. Yeah, me and Dylan were talking. We didn't know there was a tournament. We would have entered in it because we've already caught 5, and that guy said he'd fished the whole lake already and has only caught 1.
Oh, son.
He go off the scale.
Coming.
Let's try and skip under this dock here. Oh, that's horrible. Try it again. It's hard to do skip under dock, so there we go. Skip under dock sitting in a kayak is one of the advantages of a boat. And got stuck on a bunch of algae and stuff.
Well, 1 pound, 15 ounces.
1 pound, 15 ounces, so yeah, 2 pounds. I figured that's what, man, that was a good guess. Well, yeah, dude, I'll take 2 pounders all day.
Dude, his rib was sharp. Man, he breathed. I'm gonna leave my scale out.
Yeah, leave that scale out, you never know. Especially in this lake. There's fish from half a pound to 10 pounds. All right, I'm gonna head up here a little ways. I switched to the purplish, I guess you call it blue lizard. Caught this. That's a pretty long fish. I'm gonna get my measure. I have this like cheap scale, the one that isn't digital. I'm gonna see how accurate it is to yours. All right, guys, we have this cheap $5 Walmart scale. I bought it for the creek, so I thought it wouldn't be a bad idea. Would work in the creek because it's waterproof. I'm not sure where to hook this thing with this. That's a good fish, dude. That ain't a bad fish.
That's about the same size as mine.
I want to measure it.
Move your paddle up a little bit. Let me go underneath it. Oh, watch yourself.
Weedless.
Alright.
It's a long fish.
Yeah, it is.
Here, hold it. I'm gonna measure it. Or no, weigh it first.
Huh?
Or no, hand me the scale.
Yeah, I don't want to hold
Sorry.
it over boats.
Zeroed out.
You probably have to hold it up again.
Wait,
Don't hold it up.
did I fit that?
Yeah, just click it until it hits 0.
It's at 0, 1.
Here, let me see it.
Oh, there we go. 1.8.
Really?
Yeah, I thought it was heavier than that.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, try it again. Okay, zeroed out. 110. 6 of the day.
Be a keeper in tournament.
Yeah, that would be a keeper depending on length. I mean, normally if you're in a tournament that they don't have a 15-incher a keeper and you're struggling,
Yeah.
that's got to be a lake with big fish in it. Okay, guys, so that's number 6. So we'll keep fishing this little area. Where we're at now is where we moved, is by this golf course that I showed you guys. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. This ain't a bad fish, Dylan. I need your help. This is good. I can't get it up. He seems good. I don't know. I haven't seen him yet. I'm trying to keep tension on him. I can't get him up, dude. Dude, Yeah, I need your help. Come here.
Y'all see it?
No, I can't, dude. I can't get him up. Dude, I can't get him up.
I can't see you either.
Oh my gosh, dude, I can't get him up.
How am I supposed to?
Oh wait, here he comes. He's about to come up. Ready? Oh no, he's going under. What? Oh, I was
He was in
stuck.
grass.
He was in the, okay. Dang. All right, guys, so I got number 7. Dang, oh my. He got in, yeah, he got in that vegetation. I thought he was a giant. Oh my gosh. Well, that's number 7 on the second cast with the lizard. So I guess the lizard's the go-to bait right now. Dang.
You got him good, that's for sure.
Well, I thought he was a giant. I had the, I hooked it hard. I set the hook super hard.
You stupid.
This may be a good little inlet right here. Here.
Really? I'm trying to pop it the hook out of the top, but
Hey, maybe we can get double digits here. Okay guys, so Dylan just caught number 9. I wish the GoPro wasn't dead because I feel like we're gonna get a lot of footage in here because we're still in the same spot. That's number 9. He's weighing it right now just to see. But yeah, like I said before, there's actually a tournament going on and we didn't know it because if we did, we would have entered in it. And I think with 9 fish, with as many as we've caught, huh? 110. So that one was another almost 2-pounder. So I'm doing this on my phone, so if it's a little shaky and the quality's not the best, that's why. I was trying to see if we had any battery left on the GoPro, and we do not. So we're gonna get it on my phone here. So it's gonna be tough. I'm gonna put my phone right here.
no, you're gonna drop it in the water.
Yeah. You're right, it would fall in the water.
You don't take the hook out?
Yeah. Okay, hook. Hang on.
What a
Hook is
toad.
So easy.
What a toad.
Here, hot switch. Hold this. All right, zeroed out. He's slick. All right, zeroed out. Three-pounder. He's 213. Good 3-pounder, but he's long. All right, guys. So it started to rain a little bit on us, and I actually have a baby shower I have to go to. So we're headed out now, and I'll see you guys in a minute for the outro. Okay guys, so we just got finished up. We got the kayaks loaded up. We're about to head out. We ended up catching 12 total for the day. A lot of the video today were on the phone just because the GoPro died, and my apologies about that, but we still think we got some good content. So just hope you guys make sure to like and subscribe, and I really appreciate you guys watching. And everybody remember that Jesus loves you, and everybody, God bless.